anyways, today I'm gonna be showing you how to do a ringtone. Cause like, why not? I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Don't get copyright. I'm gonna use the cabbage pizza from usually.
Catfish pizza, peanut butter jelly. Your girl gets.
Okay, so like those type of ringtones. Okay, no, I'm not doing that song. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna go to games. Oh, my filter is called games. But you go on YouTube. So like, I did that before I did this video. So like, you search like a song, like if you want a David Dobrik song, just go to David Dobrik. So like, scars here in your life sucks, so stuff like that. So like that one, and then I'm gonna go copy link. So it's copied. You go on documents and you type in MP gun, and gun. I did it so like you guys know. You see me suffer trying to get the thing. So now we're gonna paste your video and we're gonna go done. You can pick MP4 or MP3. For GarageBand, you can use MP3. So you're now gonna press download and yeah, do that. Then it will be in here. Okay. Now since it's done, you go and share. And you go into files. You go on my phone, you go on GarageBand, go to GarageBand transfer, and add. Sorry if I'm talking too loud. I'm not too fast. Now we're gonna download GarageBand. It's free on iPhone, but Android and other devices cost money. So if you're seeing this and you have an iOS device, this is a good video for you. If you're on Android, I'm sorry, but you have to use another method. I am very sorry. So you're doing GarageBand. And you press on that and you go on video.
Alright, okay. I like the way this is sounding right now, but I think maybe we can do something a little different with it. Fitz, do you think maybe you could make my voice deep? Like one of those little Wayne tracks.
30 bars.
Oh, God! Mama!
Sucks, fuck.
Oh, God! Mama won't buy me David Dobrik merch. No, she...
Okay, I got my point now, and now you can go on my songs. And you can go on share. So you press share and you press ringtone. Okay, yeah, I don't care. Now you can name it whatever you want, like...
My voice deep? Like one of those little Wayne tracks.
Sucks, fuck.
Oh, God! Mama won't buy me David Dobrik merch. No, she won't stick the sticky fingers in her purse. And if she don't give me money, I'ma steal from church. Cause I can't let Tiffany get the merch first. My birthday's April 1st and I never...
And now you go on settings. And you go on sounds. And then you get to like all of sucks guys, right? So yeah, and you can like play like the frick you want. I summoned it because I kind of wanted to hear it because it's my ringtone. I want to hear it. You know, it's So and after that, you can have fun with your ringtones and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you for watching this tutorial. I am doing this on Saturday, July 21st, and it's gonna get uploaded today, the 21st. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. Chill, go whatever you do, and hug your family because it's almost school. So clap to that. Yeah, thank you so